In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily register a business on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to your TikTok profile page. Now guys, first off we need to tap right here at these three lines and then go to settings and privacy. After that, tap at account at the very top, and that's where we need to tap at switch to business account. That's how we can easily switch our account to business account. Just hit next all the time. At the last step, choose a category. We can scroll down and select a category that best describes our business. I'm just gonna choose real estate and then hit next. After that, we'll be able to add our email. However, we can just skip this step, and now we are all set. After that, if we go back to our TikTok profile, and then if we tap right here at these three lines, it will show us one extra option, which is business suite. We need to get into it, and that's where we can easily register our business by tapping at business registration, just like that. After that, we need to first off check mark it and then hit at get started. On the next step, we need to fill out this form. We need to enter all the necessary information such as legal business name, country origin, address, and all other fields have to be filled. Some of them are optional, some of them are not. And then once you fill out this form, hit at next, and after that, continue following the steps below to register your business on TikTok. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.